Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Coinbase Wallet to DeXScreener. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, tap Connect, choose Wallet Connect, scan the DeXScreener QR code, and approve the session in your wallet. Return to DeXScreener, confirm the connected address, and enable any optional permissions for viewing trades. I'll walk through safety tips, common errors, and how to disconnect when finished to keep your funds secure. Start by opening DeXScreener and locating the Connect Wallet button at the top. Choose Wallet Connect to generate a QR code, then switch to Coinbase Wallet on your phone. Use the wallet's scan feature to read the DeXScreener QR code and follow the on-screen approve steps to link. After approval, DeXScreener will show your address and active connection, letting you monitor tokens and trades instantly while keeping private keys in your wallet. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation. A great read is The Simple Path to Wealth, which simplifies money mindset and long-term planning and pairs nicely with learning smart tools for crypto and investing. Check the description for the book link, other deals, and the resources I used in this video. Then now let's get back to the video. If you run into issues, start by refreshing the DeXScreener page and regenerating the Wallet Connect QR code. Confirm the Coinbase Wallet app is up to date and has camera and network permissions enabled for scanning and approving. For stubborn errors, disconnect the session in both DeXScreener and Coinbase Wallet, then repeat the pairing process. I'll also cover how to verify the connected address and revoke permissions for peace of mind while trading or tracking tokens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.